Good morning, and welcome to Stock Invest. Today we dive into the latest market movements as United States stock futures show gains ahead of the opening bell. Investors remain cautious amid an ongoing United States government shutdown, which has delayed crucial economic data that typically influences Federal Reserve decisions. As of early Monday, Dow futures rose by 86 points, the S&P 500 futures increased by 20 points, and Nasdaq 100 futures advanced by 103 points, signaling cautious optimism. Last Friday witnessed volatility with the S&P 500 and Dow Jones hitting record highs, while the Nasdaq Composite retreated slightly due to tech sector pressures. A notable drag on the tech-heavy Nasdaq was Applied Materials, which recently forecasted a significant revenue shortfall for fiscal 2026. Meanwhile, a top White House official has raised concerns that mass federal layoffs could begin soon if shutdown negotiations remain stalled. This partial shutdown has also resulted in the postponement of key economic reports, including the all-important non-farm payrolls data. In the absence of official data, private economic indicators have suggested rising inflation and weakening business activity, adding to market uncertainty. Market participants are closely watching the Federal Reserve's upcoming interest rate decision, with expectations leaning towards potential rate cuts. Turning to corporate news, Constellation Brands is set to release its quarterly earnings today, following a challenging previous quarter impacted by tariffs and consumer spending shifts. The alcoholic beverage giant has faced headwinds from rising tariffs and changing consumption patterns, particularly among Hispanic consumers. In Asia, Japanese stocks surged as Sanae Takaichi won her party's leadership race, potentially becoming Japan's first female prime minister. Takaichi's victory has fueled hopes for increased fiscal spending and stimulus measures, supporting Japan's fragile economic outlook. Oil prices also rebounded after OPEC Plus announced a smaller-than-expected output increase, easing fears of a supply glut. Thanks for tuning in to Stock Invest. To stay updated with the latest market news and analysis, do not forget to press the notification bell and subscribe to our channel.